Hi, this is Asing. You are now watching Asing Math TV. Today, we'd like to share how to obtain the moving total, moving average, and the seasonal variation for an odd number season data under multiplicative model by using calculator. Firstly, press on menu, and we should look for the spreadsheet function, that is number 8. Let's enter the data provided, the y values. Firstly, we have 360, so press 360 and press equal, followed by 400 and equal, and so for the rest of the values. We have 480, 600, 660, 350, 430, 490, 580, 680, 380, 440, 490, 590, and 690. Altogether, we have 15 points for this data. After finish entering all the values, let's back to the top row and move to column B. And we should now obtain the moving total. Before obtaining the moving total, let's make a simple calculation to check the correct position of the first moving total. Take the number of points divided by 2 and round up, which means that we should take 5 divided by 2 and obtain 2.5. And then we round up and get 3. So the first number should be placed at the third row. Let's make a remark. The first moving total we should place at B3. And now, move to the last value and count 1, 2, 3. The last moving total should be placed at B13. And we can now set formula to obtain the values. Press on Option, select 1 to set formula. As the name stated, moving total, which means that we should perform a total. Press on Option, down, and look for sum, which stands for total. Select 4. And we should make a total for every 5 points as stated here. So we should start from the first value, where all the y values we enter under column A. So press alphabet A1, alphabet integrate to get colon, alphabet A, and we should end at the 5th value since we need every 5 point. Close bracket and press equal. And now set the range for the total to be displayed. That is from the 3rd row of column B up to the 13th row. So we press alphabet B3, alphabet colon, alphabet B13, press equal, equal again, and we should obtain all the values. Now, let's obtain the moving average. Move to column C. Moving average is simply the moving total divided by the number of points. For this case, it's 5. But by using this calculator, we can actually obtain the value directly. Let's press on Option, select 1 to set the formula. Option again, down, and this time we select the mean value, which stands for average. Select number 3, and we should refer to the y values that we enter under column A. So select alphabet A, start from the first value, alphabet colon, alphabet A up to the 5th value. Since for every 5 points, that is a moving average. Close bracket and press equal. Similarly, we should have the value starting from the 3rd row up to the 13th row. So we press alphabet C 3, alphabet colon, alphabet C 13. Press equal, equal again, and we should obtain all the moving average as we can see here. Lastly is to obtain the seasonal variation. Back to the top row, let's check. Since the first moving average appears at C3 and the last at C13, and the calculation is based on the y value and the moving average. So we should start from the 3rd row. Press on Option, select 1 to fill formula. Since this is multiplicative model, so which means that we should take the y value divided by the t value, and we should start from the 3rd row. So we press alphabet A 3 divided by alphabet C 3. Press equal and set the range. Also start from the 3rd row, and the value should be displayed under column D. Press alphabet D. Also start from the 3rd row, alphabet colon, alphabet D, and up to row 13. Press equal, equal again, and we obtain all the values. As we can see, the calculator only shows up to 4 decimal places. Even though we select a particular cell, the calculator displays the formula instead of more decimal places. But don't worry, we can make use of the column E. Press on Option. This time we should select fill value. which is number 2. The value that we are looking for is placed at the column D, starting from the third row. So we press alphabet D, 3, press equal, and now set the range. Also from the third row up to row 13, press alphabet E, 3, alphabet colon, alphabet E, 13, press equal, equal again, and we should now obtain all the values instead of formulas, as you can see here. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.